Delhi AQI reaches very poor category. Delhi awaits artificial rains and amid that, the pollution also rises in the national capital. Delhi's air quality now crosses 300 mark. So cloud seeding was done yesterday, but Delhi is still awaiting the artificial rains. 2 trials were conducted on Tuesday, but the rains, Delhi did not receive the rainfall that it was promised. It was promised that between 15 to 4 hours, that Delhi will be receiving the artificial rains, but that did not happen. And amid all of that, the AQI has now reached the very poor category in the national capital. My colleague Amit Bhardwaj is joining us with more details on this. Amit, 2 trials were conducted of cloud seeding yesterday in the national capital, and it was said that within 4 hours there will be rains that Delhi will be receiving, but Delhi is still awaiting the artificial rains.
Right, Anjali. You know what we know for a matter of fact that the cloud seeding attempt was done yesterday, and the cloud seeding attempt in fact was successful. However, the desired results, that is drizzling in the national capital, has not happened on the spots where the cloud seeding was conducted by the team of experts. Now, the Delhi government has been in touch with IIT Kanpur, who has been given the job or the task of conducting Delhi's and also India's first artificial rains in order to mitigate pollution. We have seen such experiments in the past in the country, but this is the first time when we are awaiting artificial rains to happen as a mitigation measure for high level of pollution. Now, while artificial rains did not happen yesterday, the politics over artificial rains had already started. You had Aam Aadmi Party, Saurabh Bhardwaj attacking the government, and the Congress Party also being critical of the Rekha government for failing to control the pollution levels in the national capital. But as we speak, several parts of Delhi are under very poor category, which means that prolonged exposure to this poor quality of air for elderly, children and those with respiratory disease, it's highly risky. And the experts tell them to, avoid prolonged exposure in air quality conditions of this sort. So if we speak by numbers, you have Punjabi Bagh, Siri Fort area, Bhavana. All of these areas are in very poor category. So what we are given to understand that there's a slight relief also in the overall picture. It's not because, the source of pollution have gone down, but because of the changed weather conditions as well. And we have to also understand, Anjali, for the past 2 days, we have had a situation where you had higher wind speed. Despite that, the pollution levels have not been controlled or come down to a desired level. And that is why everybody is looking up to a successful attempt and execution of artificial rains in the national capital. Back to you.
Right, Amit, also the BJP government mentioned that there was 0.1 millimeter of rainfall in Noida, but was that really because of cloud seeding, and can that be called a success?
Well, Anjali, the cloud seeding attempts were done, executed in the national capital, and the desired results are expected to happen in Delhi itself. And what we were also given to understand that areas such as North Delhi and Outer Delhi were execution areas. Along with that, the IMD had also come up with a report by the end of the day saying that there is no drizzling in the national capital. Obviously, when you're conducting cloud seeding and artificial rains are expected, there would be other teams as well which will look into the whether the experiment has been successful or not. And this is a very important exercise not only for Delhi but also for the entire country, because we understand that air set problem is not only Delhi problem, rather North India problem, and pollution hotspots are increasing month after month. Across India, the hotspot cities are increasing, and that is why if this experiment is successful, you will see similar measures could be also used in different cities. And, for instance, in Mumbai as well, the pollution levels in certain time of the year goes quite high, and similar measures could be used by other states as well. That is why a constant and perfect monitoring would be also done by the agencies at this point in time, and hence we'll have to wait for the agencies to come up with that data. Back to you.
All right, Amit, do stay with us. So, India Today spoke with IIT Kanpur director Manindra Agarwal, who executed the cloud seeding operation, about when can Delhi experience rainfall.
क्लाउड सीडिंग का हुआ, हमने देखा बहुत सारे डिस्कशंस हुए, चाहे वो पॉलिटिकल हो, सबकी निगाहें इस पूरे प्रोसेस पे थी। बारिश जिसकी सब उम्मीद कर रहे थे वो नहीं हुई दिल्ली एनसीआर में। आप इसे क्या मानते हैं, एक सक्सेस मानते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगता है कि कुछ कमी रह गई?
नहीं, कमी तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा कम, क्योंकि मॉइस्चर कंटेंट आज क्लाउड्स में कम था, तो 15% के आसपास, तो संभावना इसकी वजह से पानी बरसने की ज़्यादा नहीं थी। लेकिन मैं फिर भी कहूँगा कि आज का हमारा पूरा प्रोसेस ने हमको बहुत यूज़फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है, क्योंकि दिल्ली में हमने 15 अलग अलग जगहों पे इसका मेजरमेंट सेटअप लगाया था, और इससे हमें पता चला कि जो हमने 14 फ्लेयर्स करीब फायर किए, करीब 300 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया में सीडिंग करी, और इसकी वजह से PM 2.5 और PM 10 का परसेंटेज कंटेंट 6 से 10% कम हुआ, जो कि बहुत अधिक नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी ये बताता है कि क्लाउड सीडिंग जो हमने करी, बहुत कम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट था बादलों में, फिर भी उसका कुछ असर ज़मीन पे भी निकल के आया।
बट बारिश नहीं हुई, उसके बाद भी पोल्यूशन लेवल कम हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ, क्या टेक्निकलिटीज हैं?
तो इसके लिए हमें जानना होगा कि क्लाउड सीडिंग से होता क्या है। जब क्लाउड सीडिंग से हम बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स बादलों में डालते हैं, तो हर एक पार्टिकल के चारों तरफ पानी कंडेंस करने लगता है, और जब अधिक मात्रा में कंडेंस करता है तो ग्रेविटी की वजह से पानी की बूंद बन के नीचे गिरता है। कितनी बूंदें इस प्रकार की बनेंगी ये निर्भर करता है कितना वाटर मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है उस समय बादल में। यदि अधिक मॉइस्चर कंटेंट है तो बहुत सारी बूंदें बनेंगी, उसमें जो गिरेंगी उसमें कुछ हवा में ही रह जाएंगी और कुछ ज़मीन पे पहुंच जाएंगी, जिससे कि हमें आभास होगा कि पानी बरस रहा है। लेकिन जब बूंदें कम हैं और जब वो गिरती हैं तो वो लगभग सभी हवा में ही रह जाती हैं, नीचे ज़मीन पे नहीं आती। तो इससे ये तो नहीं लगेगा कि पानी बरसा, लेकिन क्योंकि बूंदें कई सारी हवा में आईं और जो मॉइस्चर नहीं, जो पार्टिकल हैं पॉल्यूशन के, वो भी हवा में ही हैं, तो वो कुछ अब्जॉर्व कर लेती हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनका मात्रा कम हो जाती है।
So Delhi awaits its first artificial rain even after cloud seeding. 2 cloud seeding trials were conducted by the Delhi government on Tuesday, which covered 6 areas across the national capital. IIT Kanpur claimed that it might take 15 minutes to 4 hours for the artificial rain, depending on the moisture inside the clouds. But even after the 4-hour deadline, no artificial rain was reported in Delhi. Now, BJP government claims that there was light rainfall of about 0.1 millimeter that was reported in Noida after the first cloud seeding attempt on Tuesday. Delhi Environment Minister further added that for there to be artificial rain, there must be at least 50% moisture in the clouds, but currently there's only 10 to 15% moisture, which delayed the rain. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party went all guns blazing against the Delhi's BJP government and called the cloud seeding attempt unsuccessful. They even accused the Rekha Gupta-led government of fudging with the AQI data of the national capital.
आर्टिफिशियल रेन्स को लेकर सरकार ने दावा किया कि पूरी तैयारी हो चुकी है। अभी प्रदूषण फिर से वेरी पुअर कैटेगरी में दिल्ली में आ चुका है। हवा दमघोटू एक बार फिर से हो गई है। ऐसे में अब उम्मीद ये जताई जा रही है कि आज संभवतः कृत्रिम बारिश कराई जा सकती है दिल्ली में।
देखिए, वेरी पुअर पोल्यूशन इसलिए दिखा रहा है क्योंकि जितने भी दिल्ली के AQI मॉनिटर हैं, उनके ऊपर दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा छिड़काव किया जा रहा है पानी का। उसके ऊपर स्मोक गन लगा के उसके ऊपर पानी डाला जा रहा है, ताकि जितना भी आसपास का धुआं है, धूल है, वो सब बैठ जाए। फिर उन्होंने झूठ बोला कि साहब दिवाली के अगले दिन हम करा देंगे, उससे सारा पोल्यूशन नीचे आ जाएगा। वो भी नहीं हुई। कल शाम को आप देखिए थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश हो गई, अपने आप ही हो गई। तो सरकार ने आज खबर दे दी कि हम आज करा देंगे। अरे आज तो वैसे ही बारिश होने वाली है, आजकल में छठ के आसपास वैसे भी बारिश होती है, और कल हल्की फुल्की बूंदाबांदी हुई है। तो बेसिकली क्या है, ये सुबह से शाम तक झूठ बोलते हैं।
तीसरी ट्रायल के लिए भी आज ही शुरू करे गए हमारा मकसद है कि हर ह्यूमिडिटी के से जानकारी लेने की कितनी भी ह्यूमिडिटी में कौन कौन सी बरसात हो सकती है। मौसम विभाग के मुताबिक जो विंड्स हैं वो नॉर्थ की तरफ हैं और ये दिल्ली, आउटर दिल्ली में कहीं पे भी जो है विंड्स के चलते बादल जाएंगे। आईआईटी कानपुर का मानना है कि ये बरसात 15 मिनट से लेकर 4 घंटे के अंदर कभी भी हो सकती है और कितनी भी हो सकती है, जो कि बहुत बड़ी स्तर पर नहीं होगी अभी, क्योंकि उसके अंदर जो ह्यूमिडिटी थी वो कम है, 15 से 20% है। यही अभी टेस्ट किया जा रहा है क्या इतनी विजिबिलिटी, इतनी मॉइस्चर में क्या ये हो पाएगा। उम्मीद है कि आईआईटी कानपुर के रिजल्ट अच्छे रहेंगे।
So Delhi is still awaiting the artificial rains even after the 2 trials that were conducted on Tuesday. There was a deadline of 4 hours that was given by the experts, but it still did not receive the rainfall. So aircraft was loaded with the spray, and aircraft released the seeding agents through spray systems on the clouds. This is how cloud seeding is done, and it released particles from larger water droplets inside the cloud. Within 20 to 30 minutes, these droplets become heavy and then they cause rainfall. But Delhi is still awaiting the artificial rains. The rainfall did not really happen. And firstly, the aircraft was loaded with the seeding material such as silver iodide, which is then released. These seeding agents are released through spray systems into the clouds. And these clouds are identified, and moisture in the clouds also plays a crucial role. Now, these particles are released from larger water droplets inside the cloud, and within 20 to 30 minutes, these droplets become heavy and then they cause the rainfall. But because there was not enough moisture in the clouds, that is being said that was the main reason that Delhi did not see its first artificial rain despite the 4-hour deadline.